Let me show you the vibe coding method that's making me thousands per week. I'm about to find random projects on Upwork or Fiverr, spend like 10 to 20 minutes building it on bolt.new, Lovable, or Replit, then showing you how to exactly get these clients while your competition is too busy writing up their proposal letter. Make sure you finish to the end because I'll be dropping a link to the free ebook on how to secure your clients effortlessly with vibe coding. I'm gonna make this video short and sweet. So for the vibe coders, even if you're not a vibe coder and you're well experienced, this is a good way to get quick cash, or, you know, making it a full-time job, because there's people posting jobs every day. So I'm here on Upwork, right? Go through the job search, right? You hit, the find work tab, and you can locate these jobs, right? For example, somebody's asking for a calculator made in Replit connected with Airtable, right? And if you don't know nothing about Airtable, you can easily just go on ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, whatever's your preference, and just ask to help you. How can I integrate Airtable to my calculator step by step? And it's going to help you, right? So we can easily see what's going on here. Summary, we already have a fully functional solar proposal calculator web app. Currently hosted on Replit. Your primary task is to connect it to our Airtable source of truth so that dynamic product, okay. Yeah, so their calculator is already built. So what you want to do here is just copy all this, right? You could take it to Claude. And in the beginning, type in something like, help me help this client implement to their calculator. Give me a step-by-step guide on how to do so. All right. Colon, drop it. And it's going to spit out a step-by-step. Like I said, you can take it to ChatGPT, a step-by-step implementation guide. And it's just going to break it down for you, right? And then, you go do the work and, you get it done for that client. What do you, right? So these, you could contact them and, work out a deal. But what I'm really teaching you is how to vibe code software and websites. This just popped up, so I just wanted to show you real quick. They're not showing the compensation that they're willing to give, but hey, it's money, right? So here for websites, right? For UI, UX, right? Freelance web developer wanted, stylish website for smart energy. You can easily see exactly what they want in the description, and you go to Bolt or Replit, and you just recreate that UX, UI. You give them the best experience, and you send them a Loom or a Screen Studio recording with that updated UX, UI, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna love it. Especially if you came to them with the product already finished, right? There's so many jobs that we can finish and complete here just to make some money, a few hundred, a few grand a week. Redesign current Webflow website, top UI, UX design, website branding, move my website to square. It's crazy. The cool thing about bolt.new and Replit is that you can also build mobile apps, right? So you can search up the mobile app section, right? There's people paying $100 for iOS app development. That's too cheap, but I'm pretty sure you could contact them and figure that out. There's a whole bunch of work, guys. You can easily get money. There's no excuses. These no-code tools are changing the game for everyone, and you can easily replace your current income just by doing this alone, right? I currently can't find it right now, but there's a few job listings that just needed a UI, UX from a website, right? And let's just say that they wanted a clothing website. You can easily just go to Bolt and say UI for this apparel brand called. Make sure it's right with the most teams. And it can just start building out the website, right? This works for any category. Bolt will do that for you, and then you can easily just make that UI, UX, or that software that people need. And Bolt.new completed the website, guys. Look at this. This is awesome. You can simply create a website in less than 3 minutes. Guys, we go to these websites where work is available. Whatever that person needs, if you don't know about it, like if it's too complicated, don't do it. But as you can see here, if you see the entry level, you can easily do those. especially with the help of AI, especially the mobile apps. Like these prices right here are ridiculous, but there's a lot of jobs on here that you can find that are paying a few hundred, a few thousand if you know what you're doing, right? And with Bolt, you can easily build a mobile app. Guys, you can easily vibe code your way to $2,000 plus a month per week, right? If you don't know what vibe coding is using AI-powered code generation tools to create software applications with natural language prompts instead of manually writing code. It's just a vibe. Have an idea, you can simply sit at your computer, your laptop, wherever, type it out to Bolt, GPT, whoever, and they'll create you a full functional website, full functional software that you can use yourself today, right? We're past the traditional route, right? The vibe coding approach, it takes 15 to 30 minutes to create quick demos, right? You can easily show it to those clients that I showed you in Upwork or Fiverr. And yeah, man, I broke everything down here. You can find how to find your high value clients, reading between the lines, what clients may say, what clients really want. Prototype, like I said, man, we go to these platforms, prompt it, and it creates it. Your demo, I use Screen Studio, but you can also use Loom. It's a great product. Perfect proposal. The follow-up strategies that convert, scaling your freelance business, real results before and after. The vibe coding method is unbelievable. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like. It will help me tremendously.